Oil change required, reset on a Ford Mustang, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, the first thing you need to do is the push button here, foot off the brake, get the ignition on. When you have the ignition on, the warning will come up. You toggle to these buttons here. So you click OK. Once you get to the menu, you use the up and down keys and OK here. Go to settings, vehicle settings, oil life reset, hold OK to reset. We're just going to start the vehicle now and see if that's worked. And as you can see, that service warning has now been reset. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it informative and useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
You